What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. Today I got two of Samsung's official Kindsuit cases. They're like the leather cases for the S25 series. I got two of them, but there are a couple other colors as well, and we're going to check them out. I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts about this and see how it looks on the Navy Galaxy S25. And then see if they fit on the Galaxy S24, because you'll be surprised. This fits with some other cases, so you'll be surprised, and we'll see together if it fits. But let's take a look at this first one. This is going to be, I believe it's just a black case. It doesn't really look like a very dark black. It just looks like a dark gray. But it has like that leather texture. I don't know if it's 100% leather. When you look at the side right here, these buttons do feel clicky, and the color is a little bit lighter than the case itself. And then the camera ring right here, there is a slight camera ring around it, very, very slight raised, and it's shiny at angles. Now, it's not going to cover up each camera lens, so there isn't like specific camera cutouts, which is unfortunate. It's something I personally prefer, only because like it gathers dust in between the camera lenses, and it's very difficult to clean. So that's something I would have appreciated. The inside has this very soft texture to it, and everything else about this case feels fairly durable. But let's put it on and see how it is. Fairly easy to put on. There we go, just like that. And bam, that feels very good to hold in the hand. I don't think this is going to like fall out of your hand easily. It has a very tight grip to it, and a very ever so slightly raised lip around the entirety of the phone. And the only part you can see of the color is obviously the camera, between the camera lenses and the USB-C port right there. So at this point, it's like, should you even pick up, does the color matter for phones nowadays? And yes, it still does. I mean, if you don't really care about color, then I guess not, but for me, I still care about color, and like, it's not like I'm rocking a case 24/7. When I'm at home, sometimes I'll take off the case, and I like to use the phone without a case. I mean, that's why I picked up that specific color. But anyway, this is how it looks with the navy, and honestly, it looks pretty good. Now, the question is, let's take this off. The question is, just gotta apply some pressure right there. Will this work with the Galaxy S24? Let's see. Bam, there you go. Wow, it fits. It fits with the look at the cutouts, precise cutouts. Well, I mean, taking a look at the mic right there, it's like, or let's do it this way. It's like ever so slightly off-centered, but it still fits in that cutout. So I'll take that as it fits. And the cameras right here, they also do fit. Now, when you look at the front of the phone, you can see that side frame seeping out from the case itself. So I feel like it's a little bit wider than the S25, but I don't know. Nonetheless, it still fits. So if you want one of these new cases for your Galaxy S24, there you have it. It fits. And I don't really see it as an issue of like, it won't, oh, this one's actually harder to take off than the S25, but there we go. It fits. So that's good to know. Good to know. Now we got this one. This is called Camel, and this is what I think of when I hear like a leather case. This color, at least. So again, you have that camera ring right here. It's very shiny at angles. Looking at it from the side, and we're gonna test the buttons too. I didn't do that with this case, but we're gonna test and see if the buttons are clicky. Let's put that on. Again, same thing, just different color. And there we go. Very clicky. Yeah, that's something that I am kind of picky about with cases. Like if it's difficult to click on the buttons, the power button, the volume button, I'm not going to use that case. So like if it doesn't impact the way I use the case, if I have to put more pressure on it, I'll put it that way. I'm not using that case, but this one, no, it feels like it's just the phone itself. But here's how it looks with the S25 in navy. Honestly, I like it. I really do like it. This one looks very, very premium. Sweet. Now, would I pick this up? I probably would. I mean, I picked it up, but would I use it? I probably will be using this for the time being. And there is one disappointment I have with these cases. They don't have MagSafe. The phone itself doesn't have the magnets, and this doesn't have MagSafe either, so that's kind of unfortunate. Now, I know Samsung does have official MagSafe cases, but I think that's a clear case, and I didn't pick that up. So it would have been nice to see like a magnet here to use for MagSafe, but hopefully for next year, the Galaxy S26. But let's see if it fits. Again, it should fit with the S24, and bam. There you have it, S24. Look at that. It fits with the Galaxy S24. Bam, just like that. Galaxy S24. Looking clean. Again, you can see the bezel or the side frame kind of seeping out from there. But for the most part, it fits. Actually, you know, the buttons are a little bit more difficult to press. The power button specifically. Never mind. I didn't have it on 100%. Nope, it fits. I take that back. It fits very well. Yeah, Galaxy S24. If you want to pick it up, go right ahead. But I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, definitely be sure to superman that like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people because there's lots of content coming about the Galaxy S25 series, about other upcoming devices I already have. It's going to be a crazy next month and next couple months and hopefully next year. My goal is 60,000 subscribers here on YouTube, but obviously I'd be super excited to definitely pass my goal. But thank you all so much for supporting the channel so far, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.